Welcome back, viewers. As we all know, right now there are many advertisements that we come across when we are online. So whenever we open our browser, when we are opening or using some applications, then there is always a pop-up of advertisement, and then there will be advertisement banners on the web page, and it is very annoying. And to prevent this, there are some applications in Windows as well as in Linux. In Linux, there is an application called Adblock, which will block all the advertisements that appear on your system. So AntiX has this application pre-installed. So you have to open the AntiX control center, then go to network section, and here the Adblock is there. So Adblock will block any even nasty web pages like pornography sites, any blacklisted sites, well-known sites which are bad. So it will all block those. So advertisements, all dirty advertisements that pop up, that get installed on your system, all those kind of things, it will block. How it blocks it? Globally, the security teams identify such sites. Such sites are then put inside a file, that is a update file, and these update files are available on some security websites. So this Adblock application will search, download those updated files, then they will install those updated files on the system. The Adblock will use the information inside the update file. It contains a list of all these blacklisted sites and whitelisted sites. So whitelisted sites are secure for the user. Blacklisted sites are not good for the user. They might launch phishing attacks. They might launch. There can be a security threat of any kind. So all those websites, pornography websites, sites not good for the kids, sites not good for the security of your system. All those sites are blacklisted sites. So those sites will be put inside the host file. So host file is there on Linux as well as Windows. If you put any blacklisted sites there, those sites, whenever the system or the user will try to open those sites will not open, they will get blocked. The advertisements coming on those sites, any malicious code one will get executed via those websites. Everything gets blocked. Only the whitelisted sites will open. All the gray or black internet sites, everything gets blocked, and you are comfortable and secure browsing the internet. So now I will show you actually how it works. You have to just click once. Here you can see it is telling us the AntiX advert blocker tool adds stuff to your etc host file, so that many advertising servers and websites cannot connect to the PC. You can choose to block ads, malware, pornography, gambling, fake news on social media. Blocking ad servers protects your privacy, saves you bandwidth, greatly improves the web browsing speed, and makes the internet less annoying in general. Do you want to proceed? No. These applications will always open showing the default selection, not what's currently selected. Note 2. Restart your browser to see the effects of any change. So we will just click on OK. Here you can see block. The options are there. If you want to only block the pornographic websites, if you want to only block ad and malware websites, only block gambling websites, only block fake news websites, only block social media websites. Search is in the top here because I use the social media website, so I am not going to block those. But if you want, you can block those also, and also you can unblock everything. So if you have earlier blocked some or all these options, you can unblock them anytime by clicking here. So you have to click here, open the Adblock, and then you can unblock everything. So at a time you can unblock everything, or you can block any one or all of this types of website. So the option is there. So now what I will do is I will click OK. That's it. Now it is loading the block list from the raw GitHub user content.com. Success, your settings have been changed. your host file has been updated, restart your browser to see the changes. So you need not restart your system, just restart the browser and the settings will get applied. So that's it for this video. In the next video, we will check out some more features of AntiX Linux. Bye bye.